Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into something that might blow your mind. Because the future we've been joking about for years is literally knocking on our office doors. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now imagine this, one of your coworkers gets laid off. And a week later, a humanoid robot walks in through the same door, takes their spot, and starts working with actual hands, gestures, and perfect precision. You stare at it, wondering if this is a prank. But it's not. Welcome, my friends, to the humanoid revolution, a change that's not coming someday, but one that's already unfolding across factories, warehouses, and even supermarkets around the world. These aren't the mindless, repetitive robots we've seen in assembly lines for decades. No, these new machines look like us, move like us, and soon, they might even replace us. So today, we're breaking down the most advanced humanoid robots revealed in the last few months. What they can do, why they're special, and yeah, how much they actually cost. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which of these robots might one day be sitting next to you at work. Let's kick it off with the most hyped name in the game, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. This isn't some concept prototype. Optimus is already at work in Tesla's factories, performing tasks that require fine motor skills and precise hand-eye coordination. Thanks to its advanced neural network, it learns by watching humans, literally observing and mimicking how we move. But here's where it gets wild, the Optimus Gen 3. Tesla completely redesigned it from the ground up. The aluminum frame is gone, replaced with carbon fiber and reinforced polymers, making it lighter and tougher. Cables, hidden inside flexible internal channels, giving it a super clean, futuristic look. They even plan to fit it with synthetic skin, yeah. You heard that right, so it can look more human. And this version can talk. Gen 3 includes onboard microphones and speakers, processing voice commands locally using Tesla's FSD chip without uploading to the cloud. That means better privacy and instant reactions. Battery power. Tesla's upgraded it to a 3 kilowatt-hours pack with their 4,680 cells, enough to run for 12 hours straight on a single charge. The hands, though, are the real showstopper. From 11 to 22 degrees of motion per hand, with sensors so sensitive that Optimus Gen 3 can thread a needle or crack an egg without breaking the yolk. Expected price, around $30,000, and if Tesla can mass produce at that rate, it'll shake the entire industry. Next up, let's meet Apollo by the American firm Apptronik. This robot has already started working at Mercedes-Benz's manufacturing lines, taking on heavy logistical tasks. It's 5 feet 8 inches tall, 1.73 meters, weighs 160 pounds, 73 kilograms, and can lift about 55 pounds, 25 kilograms. Apollo's unique force control system allows it to safely operate near humans, while its modular design means it can even mount onto wheels for long-distance tasks. Battery life, only for hours, but here's the genius part. The battery is hot swappable, allowing 24/7 operation. Estimated cost, somewhere between $185,000 and $230,000. Pricey, but powerful. Now for something more delicate, Phoenix by Sanctuary AI from Canada. This robot is currently being tested in UK supermarket distribution centers, picking and packing products for online orders. Phoenix has what's considered the most dexterous hands on the market. Until Tesla's Gen 3 fully arrives, it has 20 degrees of freedom, handles soft fruit or heavy boxes with equal finesse, and can be remotely operated with haptic feedback, meaning you can literally feel what it feels. Imagine adjusting something in your office while being halfway across the world. That's Phoenix. Instead of direct sales, Sanctuary AI rents Phoenix through a robot-as-a-service model, about $25 per hour. Moving on to one of the fastest-growing players, Figure AI and its Figure robot, currently deployed in BMW's South Carolina plant. Figure 2 moves car body components with incredible fluidity. Unlike hydraulic robots, it's fully electric, quiet, and designed for real industrial work. Figure's AI learns by watching. It converts videos of human actions into motor commands. It's 5 feet 6 inches tall, 1.68 meters, weighs 130 pounds, 60 kilograms, and can work 5 hours per charge. Each hand has 16 degrees of motion, and its dual GPU brain processes complex planning and execution in milliseconds. Then came Figure 3, which just dropped. It's said to double the previous model's endurance with a revolutionary new battery. Expected price range? roughly $28,000 to $30,000. With production slated for 2025, that's game-changing, of course. We can't skip the legend, Boston Dynamics Atlas, once famous for its parkour stunts. Atlas has now evolved from a research project into a commercial powerhouse. It's now fully electric, quieter, and smarter. The company developed what they call a unified behavior model, allowing Atlas to learn all actions, walking, grabbing, balancing, under a single AI system. That means Atlas doesn't just follow commands anymore. It can react, catch a drop tool, adjust on the fly, even problem solve. Atlas is now assisting in Hyundai's facilities in South Korea, though it's not for sale yet. Let's head east, because China is catching up fast. Unitree Robotics is leading the charge with its H1 and G1 humanoids. The H1 is like the Usain Bolt of robots, reaching nearly 22 km per hour, 13.6 miles per hour, setting the record for a full-size humanoid. It's 5 feet 9, weighs just over 100 pounds, 47 kilograms, and can operate for 1.5 hours on a swap-ready battery. The G1, on the other hand, is smaller, 4 to 1.7 meters tall and 77 pounds, 35 kilograms. Its standout feature: extreme flexibility. It can fold itself into a compact box shape, starting at only $15,000. It's the most affordable humanoid robot you can actually order today. Fourier Intelligence from Shanghai is also stepping in with the GR series, aimed at medical rehab centers. The GR3 model features soft-touch outer layers for safe human contact and 55 degrees of joint flexibility. The GR1 and GR2 can even lift up to 110 pounds, 50 kilograms. Prices range from $90,000 to $160,000 depending on configuration. Lastly, UBTech's Walker S, now assisting in IO's electric vehicle assembly lines in China. Standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, 1.75 meters, weighing 170 pounds, 77 kilograms, and boasting 41 degrees of freedom. Walker S handles fine inspection tasks like checking seatbelts and door locks. Each arm can lift around 7 pounds 3 kilograms with a total capacity of 20 pounds 10 kilograms. Price: not public. It's reserved for industrial partners only. So, what's the takeaway here? The humanoid market has officially entered its commercial era. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 could dominate simply because of price-performance balance, while Chinese makers are flooding this space with budget-friendly but less capable models. The real challenge now isn't how fast robots can walk, it's how well they can grasp. Human-like hands are the toughest engineering frontier. They need to be heat-resistant, dust-proof, waterproof, and durable, all while staying precise and affordable. Until that's solved, humanoids will remain powerful, but not perfect. But make no mistake, the revolution isn't coming, it's here. Factories are filling with these mechanical co-workers, and soon enough, they might be standing right beside you. So what do you think? Which of these robots would you want or not want in your workplace? Drop your thoughts below. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the humanoid takeover, smash that like button, share it with your fellow tech lovers, and subscribe for more epic breakdowns of the world's fastest, smartest, and craziest machines. Because the next video, it's going to make you question what it really means to be human. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious, stay bold, and stay ahead.